It's a first for Copperas Cove. Even though the proposed tax rate for this year is a 1.16 cent decrease from last year, a no new revenue tax rate election is required, as our local leaders adopted a tax rate over the voter-approved tax rate.
Typically, the voter approval rate is higher than that no new revenue tax rate. But because the city's debt service payments, which is the second portion of the tax rate, is decreasing next year, that voter approval rate is below our no new revenue tax rate next year.
Last year, the tax rate was 67 cents per $100 of home value. This year, 66 cents per $100. The reason? To make our police and firefighter salaries more competitive compared to surrounding areas. And most of our neighbors say they will be supporting it come November 5th.
We need the police and we need the fire department.
Because they deserve it. And they work very hard for what they do.
Another factor, maintaining public services.
Yeah, so that's going to include any general government services. So primarily police and fire services, that makes up 61% of our general fund budget. But then there's other services like parks and recreation, the library, development services, public works. All of those services, the majority of that cost is funded through taxes.
Still, the tax rate continues to go down year after year. And while our local leaders can't say if they support or oppose the proposition, there is one thing Haverlaw encourages our neighbors to do: go to the polls and vote.
Register to vote, and then please go vote for or against this proposition.